Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Dr. Mario. Dr. Mario, we're going to go through it step by step and for beginners. So if you're a beginner at drawing, you will be able to do this. Dr. Mario is obviously one of from the Mario Brothers from Nintendo. It's going to be easy, simple for beginners, so let's get started. Also, what I want to do before we get started is stay to the very end. I'm going to do something that ties the drawing together, okay? Sorry, I'm getting my brain together right now. I just kind of woke up. And that's it. Let's get started, okay? Alright. First thing I'm going to do here, start with the circle of the stethoscope on his forehead. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw. I'm going to be posting here 3 times every single weekday, so absolutely stick around for that. And you'll get that stuff on your feed when you subscribe. But you got to click that bell notification for that to happen. Smaller circle on the inside of it. Gonna draw a long line across the head, down. Go over here, curve around the corner, down. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull a long line across. We're doing that strap that he has around his head first. I'm going to go over here and draw a straight line down on the left side. I'm going to pull that down a little bit more. Then what I do is I'm going to go over here, curve around here. Curve right there. And that curve is going to be his far side eye. Going to go over here on this side now, create the other eye. I'm going to draw the whole thing. Like so. Going to draw eyebrows here. See that? That curve over here on this side. We're going to draw the eyes on the inside. Curve over on this side. Curve on the inside here. The circle for the pupil. Curve on the inside here and the pupil. A little highlight. Gonna go over here and draw a. Oh, whoops! Actually, below this, I'm sorry about that. Below the nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line here for the mustache. And then I'm going to draw the underside of the mustache going up. Going to fill that in with dark. I'm going to go here on this end and I'm going to, whoops it easy. Go here on this end and I'm going to pull in for the side of his hair. Curve, curve. And then curve over here for the ear. I'm gonna go underneath, pull a line up over here, down, up, curve along the edge over here, curve right here for underneath the mouth. He's gonna be smiling. Line across for the teeth. Line over here for the tongue, and I'm gonna fill in this back part. So we have his under chin right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the side of the cheek with another curve right here for the side of the ear. Curve, curve for the inner ear. I'm gonna extend this little stethoscope thing right there just a bit. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here this edge and I'm going to find the hair. So it's going to be a little boop, boop, boop. Right there. It's going to go downward a bit. And it's going to come out over here. Out down, bloop, bloop at the back. Cool, cool. Gonna draw his body real quick. Line down, there's a V for kind of this coat. Out over here, out over here. Line over here, line over here, line over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve along the wrist, curve down underneath for the thumb, line over here on this side. Over here is the cuff of the hand, and now we're going to create the back side of the hand right there. I'm going to create a line for the hands, 3 lines on the glove. Then what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to go down, line downward here, and he's going to be stepping forward. So what I'm going to have as far as stepping forward, it's going to be his knee right there, curve down here, up, line over here for the cuff, curve for the bottom of the boot, line back here, in, curve underneath, down underneath for the other leg, back, over here on this side, curve, over here, down, in, up, out for the bottom of the boot, the heel, and I'm going to pull in here. Let's go to the bottom of this shoe on the front. Gonna have another curve here on this side, pulling in, line, curve here, curve over here for the front of the coat here, and we are gonna draw his fist kind of coming at us a little bit. So I'm gonna draw a line over here, curve, line over here, thumb over here, thumb here, up, up, line over here again. I'm gonna pull down, back, and you're almost done. The only thing left is to draw the stethoscope. So I'm gonna draw a straight line down the side over here, kind of this prong out for the stethoscope, and I'm going to pull in. Over here on this side, I'm going to pull a line down, circle, circle for the other side of the stethoscope. Line in, because it's got like a tie on. And don't forget that pill he has. He always has this pill. So we're going to draw a line over here, straight, straight, curve, curve, a line through that. He's always got that pill, right? And that's Dr. Mario. Dr. Mario is awesome. I forgot, actually, he looks like he has a crew cut, so he has like a little bit of the back of his hair sticking out. I was gonna say, before that, it looked like he had like a haircut or something. And that is it. I want to thank you so much for following. If you do like the channel, ooh, I forgot, there's a pocket down here, like a little cup there. If you like the channel, if you want to support the video, share the video with a friend, or just press the share button and it will auto share it completely, automatically. Share it to Twitter, share it to anywhere you like. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I will talk to you very, very soon. If you have any other Nintendo drawings you want me to do, I will totally do that. Talk to you next time. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall,
I highly, highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website, but go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare, and that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's gonna give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.